Hi, welcome to Padai Planet, and we have got another question from quadratic equations. And this question is also related with the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, here, what is given is this is the quadratic equation which is given here, right? And they are asking us to find out the value of k. And if the equation has two equal roots, right? So we need to find out the value of k. Now we already know that if any quadratic equation has got two equal roots, right? That means the discriminant of the quadratic equation, which is also called as d, will be equal to, and the formula is b square minus 4ac, and the d will be equal to 0. Now what we need to do is, in this very simple, we need to put the values of b, a, and c and find out the value of k. Now first let's simplify this equation which we have, right? So the equation is kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So if we further simplify it, we will get kx square minus 2kx plus 6, that's equal to 0. Now we need to compare this particular quadratic equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, right? And the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now if we compare these two equations, so that means a is equal to k, b is equal to negative 2k, right? This whole thing, and c is equal to 6, right? Now let's write this clearly. A is equal to k, b is equal to negative 2k, right? And c is equal to 6. Now having said that, we have got these three values, let's put all of them into this formula, and we will then start finding the value of k. So it's like b square minus 4ac. So b square means negative 2k whole square. So that's like negative 2k whole square minus 4 multiplied by a, so that's k, and multiplied by c, that's 6. Whole of it is equal to 0. Now this becomes 4k square minus 24k, right? So that's equal to 0. Now what we see common from these two terms is like 4k, and then we are left with k minus 6, right? Now with this, what we find out is that either like k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0, and in that case k is equal to 6. So finally what we can say is that k has got two values, k is equal to 0 and 6. These are the two possible values of k, right? So I hope you could understand. This was again simple question but a tricky question, important from the exam point of view, because some of the times we are not able to think through, like this, how to solve such questions, right? So keep a close watch on these kind of questions in this channel, Padhai Planet, and I'm sure you would like many more videos which we are coming up with. Keep watching. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.